Hi everyone, hope you're doing well from wherever you're watching this channel, depending on your time zone. Now, going by how the situation is unfolding in this country, then personally, I am convinced that we have the living and breathing Moi of our times in State House. But the difference is here. The one we have current in the name of the current president is more worse than Moi we are trying to refer to, simply because during Moi's time, Moi had a constitution that had gave him more power. But then, to show you the one we have is more worse, he has a constitution, he is leading under a constitution that has gave power to the people than what, Moi had. It's different. The 2010 constitution has given more power to the people. The president's power has been trimmed to a size. But he seems not to be recognizing that. He even goes ahead to operate outside the law. For those who remember what Morara Kebaso went through during the public participation on the impeachment of one Rigathi Gachagua at BOMAS of Kenya. We shared the videos here, chairs being thrown at him, more than 10, 20 chairs. And they're metallic. Police officers were watching in silence. But Morara was saved by good people in the same place. After that, he went to the hospital. Then the family issued a statement calling out leadership and even DCI to arrest the goons who were lynching Morara Kebaso. The state has been silent. But what has followed today during the impeachment of Rigathi Gachagua? Again, Morara Kebaso has been arrested. And if you look at the charges that are putting on Morara Kebaso, it is laughable. It is sad. It shows how people are abusing power. They are abusing power. Republic of Kenya, charge sheet. There is police case number, OB number is there. Date drafted 8/10. That's October 2024. Kebaso David Morara. The case is here. Statement of offense: creating disturbance and manner likely to cause a breach of peace contrary to section 95(1)(b) of the Penal Code. Particularly of the charge sheet, it is here, Kebaso David Morara. On 4th of October 2024, at BOMAS of Kenya, in Langata sub-county within Nairobi County, while attending public participation from forum to the impeachment of Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua with others not before, court did create disturbance in a manner likely to cause a breach of peace by uttering the words that, listen to this, kufa dereva, kufa makanga, which made the public to react to the utterances. Makosa yake makubwa alifanya ni kusema kama vile Wakenya wengine walisema kule, kufa dereva, kufa makanga. So wanasema haya yalisababisha wananchi to react. That is the case that they have arrested Morara Kebaso. That is now DCI. That is the case that they have taken Morara Kebaso to court to answer about. A man who has been beaten in presence of police officer, watching in silence without doing anything. And the goons that were throwing chairs at him walked freely. Now he's in court. The issue that is taking him in court, eti ulisema kufa dereva kufa makanga watu wakurushia viti, ika cause reaction. I mean, what's wrong with this government? Police officers should not be used to settle political differences. Police officers are embarrassing the men in uniform. Yaani umefanya kitengo cha polisi kimekuwa tu yani cha kawaida tu hivi hivi. Look at the grounds that are used to take Morara Kebaso to court. In fact, what should be happening if indeed the police officers are, following the law and doing their work freely without any interference? They should have looked for individuals who are throwing chairs at Morara Kebaso. This country, we have freedom of speech. Morara Kebaso was even denied the microphone. Hii sio ile serikali ilikuwa ya Moi wanasema kwamba hata uwezo unaongoza mtaja jina Moi bali popote. He invested a lot in an intelligence service that you could not even mention his name. Hiyo mambo kwa naambiwa. Now the living and breathing Moi of our time want to go extra mile, and knowing that we have a constitution that bars him from doing some things like these ones. We are continuing with this particular discussion with just a quick request for those who are watching and you are not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. To our returning subscribers, I must say thank you so much. And again, to all our viewers, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much, and back to this discussion. Now, there are so many things happening in this country. The impeachment of Rigathi Gachagua, JKI issue, and many other issues to do with the health insurance fund. Where we should be putting our focus. But this regime is desperate to use anything near them. Yani chochote cha wamepatana nayo mbele yao, ikuwe ni nini, chenye wamepata mbele yao, they are using it to divert the attention of Kenyans. And this arrest is one of those reasons. No, see, the other time Morara Kebaso was acquitted by the court. His money was refunded. Ile wakaenda walimchukulia bail. Wakati walisema kwamba there is someone from Rift Valley, a business tycoon who took Morara Kebaso to a court. But the man was not aware why Morara Kebaso was arrested. He even came out and distanced himself from that thing. It tells you that Morara Kebaso was right in his statement in reference to William Ruto as a friend you will never believe in nor trust. Alichukua loan aliambia mwingine akachukua loan, madeni kabaki pale hakulipa, shida kubwa. He was acquitted. With this one, I don't see anything here. He will be acquitted again. They want to keep us busy focusing on this thing. No maana unaona hata hapa tunaongea mambo ya Morara Kebaso ameshikwa. Badala tungekuwa tunaongea mambo ya Morara Kebaso has exposed to 1, 2, 3. Tunaongea mambo ya kushikwa. He should be busy on the ground exposing stalled projects. He should be busy on the ground exposing corruption. He should be busy on the ground exposing lies. But now they are keeping him busy on the corridors of the court. He should be telling us about NHIF and SHIA or what? Social health insurance, something. He should be telling us stories about JKI. He should be investigating that. But they are keeping him busy on other things, distracting him and distracting Kenyans. Morara Kebaso has proved to be a good civic education and a political activist. Anazitapa kwa pamoja kwa uzuri sana. Na Wakenya wengi wamemkubali. He has become a whistleblower against, all manner of corruption happening in this government. A president who had only one option, to walk around the country with lies and then opening, launching of fake promise, fake projects. Yani ile kazi ya Mheshimiwa Ruto alikuwa amebaki nayo ni kuzunguka Kenya akilaunch fake project. Hata wengine huku kwetu. Hii barabara huwa anapita kila siku, na leo nimeipita. Ila alisema ataweka lami. Kazi yake ni launch. The first contractor came, akafukuzwa. Huyo pili amekuja, yule amempeleka kwa koti, anasema I was not paid. Tena huyo ameenda. Hiyo barabara itajengwa. That's where we are. So you're not focusing on where Adan is taking over our airport. We are talking about Ketraco being taken over by Adan and many other things. Now we are focused on nonsensical issues. Morara Kebaso must be released. The goons that were beating Morara Kebaso are the ones to have a day in court and in the cell. I don't know your views, but let us read in the comment section to continue with this discussion. By the way, we are closely following the ongoing impeachment motion of Rigathi Gachagua, and we will be coming here to brief you on way forward.